After the phenomenal success of Article 15, director Anubhav Sinha is back with a film that questions male privilege. Helmed by Taapsee Pannu, Thappar is so much more than a story about a husband slapping his wife and the consequences in their married life thereafter. Why is this film a must watch? Stay tuned to find out. Amrita, played by Taapsee, is the quintessential housewife. The home, the mother-in-law, the balcony garden, the maid, and even the husband all need her supervision. Her life has a familiar routine, and she doesn't seem to find anything amiss. She enjoys the shared dreams of the couple, which is essentially her husband's professional success. She teaches the neighbor's daughter dance, but doesn't seem to nurse any secret ambition of being anything more than a homemaker.
अमू प्लीज लेट हो रहा है यार। अरे अमू फोड़ दिया मैंने आज। You should have been there.
Amrita's husband has been working hard towards a relocation to London. At a house party with over 40 people in attendance, he loses his cool with a senior from work and slaps Amrita when she tries to intervene. Their marriage hasn't had a history of violence, and this thappar is a first. Should we then discount this and move on, or should we question why did this happen in the first place?
उसको विश्वास नहीं था कि कंपनी चला सकता है, समझा?
We must clearly establish here that Amrita's husband is not a bad guy. He is the typical Indian male who takes his wife for granted. He slaps her but doesn't find it in him to apologize. I mean, he does indulge in whataboutery and tries to explain that stress led to that moment. And later, he tries to get a gift as an apology, but he never really says sorry.
यार shit happens. होता है. More people move on.
तुम एक कंपनी में इतने इमोशनली इन्वेस्टेड थे, यू कुड नॉट मूव ऑन। मैंने तो अपनी पूरी लाइफ इन्वेस्ट करी है तुम्हारे साथ, कैसे मूव ऑन करूं?
It is surprising that no one confronts him. None of the elders question his moment of anger. On the contrary, they ask Amrita to forget the unfortunate incident. As a woman, she should be accommodative of her husband's misconduct. Even her high-profile lawyer is surprised that just her slap has caused her so much agony. It is as if they all want to unsee what actually transpired at the party. They want to lull themselves to believe that everything is changasi.
बस यही सुनना रह गया था, बेटी डाइवोर्स करेगी।
जाने दे बेटा, थोड़ा बर्दाश्त करना सीखना चाहिए औरतों को। हर रिश्ता फ्लॉड होता है, उसे जोड़ के रखना पड़ता है।
जोड़ के रखनी पड़े कोई चीज़ तो मतलब टूटी हुई है ना।
First and foremost, it is commendable how Anubhav Sinha has skillfully handled the narrative. There is no knee-jerk reaction to the unsavory episode. Amrita tries to self-soothe herself and get back to the daily drill. Yes, there is some love lost and she isn't as chirpy doing her daily duties, but she tries. Her family is cautious around her, as if they are waiting for her to process what has happened. But mostly, they want everything to get back to normal. Can Amrita slide back to normalcy? If not, what are the options she has?
गलत तो नहीं कर रही ना?
हम तो हमेशा सही सोच के करते हैं बेटा, और कई बार सही करने का रिजल्ट हैप्पी नहीं होता।
A good script needs to be backed by powerful performances, and Thappar scores on that front too. Ratna Pathak Shah and Kumud Mishra as Amrita's parents are effortless in their parts. Tanvi Azmi as the mother-in-law personifies the conflict a person in her position feels, whether to side with what is right or whether to side with her son. The other actors, the house help, the lawyers, her brother and his girlfriend, and Dia Mirza in a bit role, all manage to make an impact.
दीदी कल उसने फेर मारी, पर कल है ना मैंने सोची किसी दिन इसने अंदर तक कुंडी लगा ली, तो तू कहाँ जाएगी?
रिश्ते बनाने में उतनी एफर्ट नहीं लगती जितना निभाने में लगती है।
क्या करूं, हो गया ना।
ज़्यादा ज़रूरी सवाल ये है, ऐसा हुआ क्यों?
The director exemplifies that in a country like ours, patriarchy is perpetrated at every level. Parents teach their daughters to adjust, but they never say the same to a son. If a couple can't conceive, then the problem must be with the woman. The man is only tested after she has undergone every invasive procedure possible. If a man is unsatisfied in a marriage, he can step out and look for sex because a man has needs. But if a woman does the same, she is slut-shamed. If a woman cannot cook, it's too bad. But if a man just adjusts to a meal that is not cooked well, he deserves applause.
You should give him a chance. Imagine how embarrassed he already is.
सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान अम्मू का है, इसके ऊपर डिवोर्स का टैग लगे।
Whether the woman is a full-time homemaker or a working woman, the onus of running a functional household completely rests on her shoulders. Men are the breadwinners and women must take care of the home. The gender roles don't completely reverse even when women step out to work. You will almost miss the scene when Amrita's husband makes a casual remark about Dia's new car. How does a widow afford it? The insinuation seems to suggest that it can't be just her salary that's making it happen.
When you're truly in love, थोड़ी बहुत मारपीट तो expression of love ही है ना सर?
We have eyewitness testimony कि उस रात पार्टी में कोई violent act commit नहीं किया था।
अगली पिटीशन में ये भी लिखवा देना कि मैं शराबी, पागल और मैनिक डिप्रेसिव हूँ क्योंकि अभी इनकम्प्लीट लग रही है।
Anubhav Sinha's film questions the established norms prevalent in society. Taapsee, as the protagonist, bells out a performance that is powerful, confident, and nuanced. Thappar is not just a slap. It is a slap that the husband knows that he will get away with. How have you, I, and the society at large enabled a man to think like that? That's the question we must ask ourselves. I'm going with 4 stars for Thappar. Have you watched this film? Please share your views with us. And don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.